Hello guys, welcome to Annji'sDiary and I am Anji. So today I am going to share with you 2 easy science experiments that you can surely try right now. So let's get started. So the ingredients needed for the first experiment are a bowl of water, some pepper and hand wash. So let's start. First, we start by putting a little pepper in the water. After that, we take little soap on our fingers and then spread it. Okay, the time for the magic to happen. Just taking that finger and putting it in the middle. And are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! You saw what just happened? All the pepper went away from the soap. Do you want to know what is the reason? So, soaps are designed to break the surface tension of the water. The molecules in the water, however, want to stick together and maintain that tension. So when the soap touches the water, the tension breaks and it carries the pepper along with it. Have you ever imagined raisins dancing? Yes. So we are doing the next experiment that's called dancing raisins. So the item needed for dancing raisins are a clear glass, some raisins and soda. So let's begin. Oh. First we pour in some soda. Then we put in our raisins. Oh wow, the raisins came up. Oh, they are actually dancing. It looks so beautiful. Do you guys want to know the reason why these cute little raisins are dancing? The reason is that the soda has carbon dioxide in it and it carries air bubbles. So when the raisins and the air bubbles come together, the density in the raisins decreases and they come up to the surface. The air bubbles start breaking and the density in the raisins increases and they sink in the bottom, and then the same process is repeated, up, down, up, down. Hence, we feel that the raisins are dancing. So guys, these 2 easy experiments which I showed you, you should surely try it. They look so good and it's really good to do it. So, if you like these 2 easy science experiments, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So, I'll meet you next time. Till then, goodbye.